Good morning students, welcome for today's session. I am here for mathematics of class 10. So students, we will study a new chapter today, that is triangle. You already studied in your previous class about the triangles, types of triangles as per angles and as per sides. And students, as in class 9 you studied about the property, means congruency of the triangles. So in this chapter we will study about a similarity of a triangle. So students, just recall about the congruence figure. Two geometric figures having the same shape and size are known as congruent figures. Okay, let's understand with the help of example. Any two lines, if both lines is equal, the line segments are equal, means in length, then both said to be as congruent. Understood? Another example, we have any two square having equal length are congruents. So what the meaning of the congruent means? If the two objects having same shape and size said to be congruent. And students, we have various example of that. If the two circles having same radius said to be congruents. Another example is bangles. Okay, so students, let's move the concept of similarity. So what is similar figures? A geometrical figure having same shape but different size are known as similar figure. So let's see the examples of the similar. Any two line segments are always similar, means if their length is different, so those said to be similar. Okay, all the squares are similar. You can see here three squares, all are their length is different. Okay, it is small, it bigger, then bigger. Okay, so such type of squares is known as similar, but these are not a congruents because their length is different. So side length of the side is different. Understood? Similar way, students, as we know that in above congruency, all the circles if having same radius is said to be congruents. But now look here, the all circles are similar. Okay, here you can see the radius of each is different. Okay, so the group of circles here is known as similar. So students, what you observe here, if the two figures means same shape, if the two figure having same shape and but in different length said to be similar. Okay, so but two questions comes in mind, that can a circle and a square be similar? Can a triangle and a square be similar? No, because you know that shape should be same. So means a circle and square never be similar and congruent, and a triangle and a square never be similar and congruent. Okay, so let's see what is the exact definition of similarity. What criteria to have to follow to be said a figure as similar? Two polygons are said to be similar if their shape is equal. Okay, second thing is their corresponding angles are equal, and third thing is that the lengths corresponding sides are proportional. So students, now you understood that can a circle and shape similar? No, because their shape is not equal. Triangle and square can't be similar because their shape is not equal. Let's see in this figure, students, in any two, 1 and 2 square, suppose one side is 2, another side is 3. You know that square have all the angles are in right angle, so means angle is same. Their shape is also equal. Their corresponding angles are equal. Yes, for this it is 90, for this 90 and 90. Okay, and the length of the corresponding side is proportional. Yes, it's 2 by 3. Then here this side and this 2 by 3. This again this 2 by 3. This and this 2 by 3. So these are means the length of the corresponding sides are in proportional. So that's why these two are also similar, and these two, and you can take any two. Okay, so another example of two triangles. Okay, here this side is 6, 3 and 6 and 5. The corresponding side AB is PR and BC is RQ and AC is PQ. Okay, so let's check these triangles are similar or not. Congruent? Never. Both, because their length of the side is different. Shape is same but size is different. So these are not a congruent. But let's check similarity. Their shape is equal? Yes. Their corresponding angles are equal? Angle not given here. Here angles we have here. 70? Yes, 70. 80 is 80. 30 and 30 means shape and same. Their angles are also equal. Now check the length of the corresponding sides are proportional or not. So you can say AB upon PQ. 3 upon 6 is 1 upon 2. The ratio we are getting here 1 upon 2. Second, 6 upon 12 again 1 upon 2. And then 5 upon 10 again 1 upon 2. So yes, the length of the corresponding sides are proportional. So this means these triangles said to be similar. So students, let's see another example of similarities. So students, we have here two quadrilaterals AB, CD and PQ, RS. Now you have to check whether these are similar or not. As per the criteria to be similar, we know that first the shape should be same. Yes, ABCD and PQRS both are the quadrilaterals. Okay. Second thing is that is their angles are equal. So let's check what is the corresponding vertex in another quadrilaterals. A and P angles are same. B is 100 and Q is 100, same. C and R 70 70 means same. S also and D also same. Understood, student? So now what is the last criteria is that the corresponding sides should be in ratio. So let's check. So what is the corresponding side of AB in another quadrilateral is PQ. So AB upon PQ. Similar way, students, BC upon RQ and DC upon SR, and last AD upon PS. Okay, now put the values in each. AB is 1.5 and PQ is 3. So after dividing it, we obtain 1 upon 2. Okay, then BC is 2.5, RQ is 5, again we obtain 1 upon 2. Okay, CD is 2.4 divided by 4.8 SR. Okay, then it is divided by 1 upon 2. Then AD is 2.1 and last is 4.2 PS. Okay, again you divide, so it time 2 times means 1 upon 2. You can check the proportional, means all the sides are in equal proportional, that is 1 upon 2. Hence the both quadrilaterals are similar. Let's see, student, another figure. So here we have ABCD and PQRS are two quadrilateral again. Okay, so first again same, is their shape is same? Yes, both are quadrilaterals. And their corresponding angles are equal? Yes, all are vertex angles are 90. So here all angles are 90 degree. And third one, let's check the ratio of the sides is equal or not. Okay, students, now check what is the AB. AB is 3 and PQ is 3.5. Okay, then put AD is 3. What is PS is 3, and then BC is 3 and QR is again 3. Then DC is 3 and SR 3.5. So you can check that the ratio of these and these is equal, means 1. But rest means AB upon PQ and DC upon SR is not equal to the rest 2. Okay, hence what we observe, the length of the sides are not in equal proportional. So means the both not are similar. So students, we observe that the corresponding sides are in ratio, means in proportional, that said to be the shapes said to be similar, otherwise not. Start exercise 6.1. So question number 1, fill in the blank using the correct words given in bracket. Okay, so what is the part 1? All circles are tests. So what the meaning? All circles are congruent, either similar. Yes, these are similar. Already I taught you in today's first video. Okay, so here what will come? Similar will come. Okay, and then second is all square are similar or congruent. So students, same again. Yes, all squares are similar. Okay, their corresponding angles are equal, but their sides are in corresponding sides are in ratio, means proportional. Okay, and then third, all tests triangle are similar, isosceles and equilateral. Students, is the most important that do you know what is the difference between isosceles and equilateral triangle? Okay, as you know that you already studied in your previous class, isosceles is both are the types of triangle. So in isosceles triangle, if a triangle having two sides in equal length and two angles also equal, such type the triangle is known as isosceles. And equilateral means if all the sides and all the angles are equal, means is equilateral triangles. So okay students, so which of these is said to be similar? Obviously students, equilateral triangles are similar. Okay, then let's move forth. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are either equal and proportional. We have to fill here. So okay, their corresponding angles are equal. So means what will come here? Equal. And then their corresponding sides are in proportionals. Okay students. Okay, next move in question number 2. Give two different example of pair of similar figure and non-similar figure. Student, this question you have to do by your own. Okay, so let's move in question number 3. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. So here you can see PQRS and ABCD are two quadrilaterals. Okay, in this we have to check these are similar or not. Okay, so what is there is shape is equal, means shape is same. Yes, their shape is same. Second thing is that their angles are equal. So one thing we should to notice here that here angles are given, but here angles are not given. So mean it is not sufficient to find out whether these are similar or not, because here is angle not given but here is given. So we can't say that about their similarity. Okay, if we'll find out that their ratio a proportional of their corresponding sides, so it is coming equal but angles are not given. So since we can't find out that these are similar or not, so means we can say no. Okay, the answer is no.